In tarot, the Emperor bears the number 4, which in numerology symbolizes structure. On a spiritual and esoteric levels, this card depicts the ultimate stage that can be reached by the divine masculine once it has fully developed thanks to the skills and knowledge absorbed and applied during the magician and high priestess phases that came before it. Upright, this card represents healthy masculinity sitting on the throne it has earned through hard work and conquest. It can point to a father or father-like figure, husband, a boss, or an authority figure that is ethical and demonstrates responsibility, accountability, security, and protection. In astrology, the Emperor is associated with Aries, sign of leadership, conquest, pioneers, which is why we see ram heads on his throne. In terms of timing, it points to the month of March. The Emperor is a symbol of strength and balanced power. He is a man who has mastered his instincts to put them in service of a greater purpose, his family, and our community, instead of his own personal interest. He has a natural commanding presence, and his main qualities are perseverance, strong will, stability, and structure. He is mature and is not afraid of responsibilities. This also applies if the inquirer is a woman, as it talks about her own masculine side. In a love reading, if the inquirer is seeking a male partner, the Emperor upright represents the ideal male mate. If other cards confirm, this could predict meeting such a man, and his arrival may feel startling at first. But in time, he will turn out to be a reliable and safe partner who completes the person and wakes them up to the freedom of being themselves. It's a good omen for a mature, serious relationship with a worthy masculine partner. On a material level, it shows success in material and financial matters. If the inquirer has been having financial problems, this card is a good omen for their resolution. When it comes to health, this card is auspicious and indicates physical strength, vitality, good male fertility, and stamina. The Emperor reversed is all about toxic masculinity. It could be that a man, father figure, husband or an authority figure, usually male, is abusing their power, asserting unnecessary domination and excessive control. It could be the inquirer himself or someone around them being inflexible, bossy, and rigid, or even downright abusive. There is a risk of conflict and an extreme case violence with or from a male person here. Or it could mean that the inquirer, regardless of their gender, is having trouble developing their masculine qualities and leadership out of shyness, fear, perceived weakness, or because they simply do not know how to assert themselves. Conversely, it could mean that a male is acting or behaving in an immature way, thinking he is a real man, but without having ever earned it. It literally could point out to a male acting like a little bitch, to put it plainly, by being petty, childish, vicious, spiteful, avoiding responsibility, and lacking accountability. This is especially the case in a love reading, as the inquirer may be involved with this type of man. Or they could meet a guy like that. Warn them about guys who act as a princess, a brat, or a bossy, arrogant bully who always imposes his own terms, his way or the highway. The Emperor reversed is hot-tempered, with possible anger issues, and narrow-minded. Ask your inquirer, is this really what you want? On a material level, this card reversed announces material difficulties, with or without malice, in which case a man would probably be the cause of them. Whether this is about the inquirer or a man around them, this is deadbeat energy. Someone undeserving, usually a male, being lazy, useless, exploiting or parasiting others' resources around him without ever earning anything on his own. If the reading is about work or business, the Emperor reversed is the archetype of the toxic male boss and the tyrant. It can mean lack of or absence of work ethics, slacking, malpractice, abusing authority, and other unethical or even illegal practices, financial or othersy. Depending on the context and on the other cards, it could predict a lay-off or loss of job with or without good cause. If the person is stuck in their career, this card reversed invites them to develop more skills and knowledge. Maybe go back to school or get training. When it comes to health, the Emperor reversed may mean fatigue, burnout due to overwork, especially in a man, or depression, lack of vitality, maybe imbalance of male hormones, muscle weakness, and trouble accepting or handling one's masculine energy, especially on a psychological level, regardless of gender.